English. Right, so we're here at the Lumyang Burial Cave. The name of this place came from the root word liang, which literally means cave, so it's a redundant name. Cave, Burial Cave. And what you're looking at now are these coffins. This was our cemetery before, and here there are over 100 coffins. However, some of them have fallen from there, going down there. So there are a lot of coffins, but there are so many burial sites here. It's just here that we show you the other coffins because this one is highly reachable, right? The last coffin that was buried here was that one. You see the one with the rectangular coffin. That was the latest coffin. It was buried 1986. So from then on, nobody buried the people just in this place. But if you ask if we still do that, we still do that, yes, because we still then bury them somewhere else. Rather than having a 4 days old coffin, we'd be covering our nose kasi hindi natin ma-smell. Okay. And the coffins are dated around 100 to 500 years old. So these, the lower the coffin is, well, the older. So yeah, we pile them up. Okay. Look at these coffins. Find out what's the odd thing about it. Ano ang kakaiba? Go. Ano makikita niyo sa coffin?
Hollowed out.
Yes, those are pine trees that were cut down and carved out like a canoe. So then they place the body. Any more? Makita niyo something different.
Maigsi.
Yes, it's so small, right? What? Are they children? Or small people? No, they are normal people like me. They were bent into a fetal position, so like this, in a fetal position. Because before we believed that from the womb of our mother we came in that kind of position. When we die, so shall we return to be reborn to Mother Nature. That's what we believe in, and that's why we do that. And you see up there are long ones already, the long coffins. The long coffins are the effect of Christianity already. So when the Christians came, well, hey, it's so hard to bury the dead. You fold them. No, it's really hard. That's why they would. Why not lying down position? So